Okay, so we are at the 4th Dade Avenue Railroad Crossing in Brooksville, Florida. Now there's something rare we just got. We have a Wildcat mechanical bell on CSX. This is on the CSX Brooksville subdivision. And it's next to that end there. So let's see, we got a Wabco base and unknown gate mechanism, 2 pairs of safety control, 24 inch size, and let me check LEDs. Okay, I believe these are more WCH 2nd gen LEDs. And here's the rare Wabco mechanical bell. And here's here are the Rico daylights. I'm not sure if they're LED or innocent. I think they're LED though, since there's lots of LEDs. But let's get over to that other signal. Got another Wabco base, 2 more pairs of Station 12x 24-inch lights, another unknown gate mechanism, more Rico LED gators, and we've got the General Signals electronic bell. I'm not sure what type it is. I think it's another type 2 though. This is close to I think it's Main Street crossing. I'm not sure what the other crossing was, but it's next to this one. Pretty close, and you can see it from here. I believe that line's doing use. It's kind of shiny, so I assume CSX still uses this line. But it looks like they're getting ready to do construction. And they've just cutted the lines on these roads. But this is it for the tour. So, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And that's it for now. And this is me signing off. Bye.